So we wish them lots of learning and fun on their field trip. This week, we've been doing a couple things, okay? So this morning, I want to wrap up Red Ribbon Week, and October is Bullying Prevention Month. So we're going to talk about those two things this morning. The first thing we're going to talk about is Red Ribbon Week, and this whole idea of saying no to drugs, right? So the theme this year for Red Ribbon Week is Celebrate Life. So when we celebrate life, we think about making great choices for ourselves and not doing things that are unhealthy or that might hurt us. And that's what drugs are. Drugs are poison. So we're going to say no to them. So what can we do instead? We can make good choices. I want to show you something. A list of better choices that we can make. Okay, so what are some good choices that we can make instead of choosing drugs? Well, these are some things that we can do. We can play sports. Raise your hand if you play a sport. Look at that. We can play an instrument. Help people. Do art. Be a superhero. Show me your superhero. 1, 2, 3. Yes, look at you, superheroes. You can be a kid, and just being you is wonderful.